In this video, we're going to talk about OpenManus. OpenManus is the open source of Manus AI agent. This is the repository, and we're going to see how we can install and run on our local machine. If you want to use Manus AI agent, then you will need a invitation code. And if you do not have that, then right now you cannot use. By the way, if you want to install OpenManus on your local machine, then you will have to install Python 3.12 or later version, and you will also have to have Git and VS Code for code editing, and make sure that your P version is up to date. So now what we have to do in order to run OpenManus on our local system is that we will have to simply follow some of the steps. You can see there is steps in this as well. If you will go here, then you can see using Conda, you can install this on your local machine. There are two methods using Conda, and the second is using UB, and it is recommended method. I will use this method. I have created this document for you. You can get this in the description. Simply go and check this out. So what you will have to do, you will have to simply install UB. So firstly, what I'll do, I will simply open VS Code, and let me open. After opening VS Code, simply start running all of the code. Simply copy this one to install UB. So what I'll do, I will simply run this and hit enter. So this will install UB on our local machine. Then simply copy this Git repository. Simply copy and paste it. And after copying Git repository, simply go to OpenManus directory. So simply copy and paste, and then you will have to simply create a new environment and activate that. So simply copy and paste that. So it's gonna activate environment. Then simply install all dependencies. So simply copy and paste the command. So what we are doing, we are simply copying and pasting the command. Okay, it is saying that it didn't find any OpenManus requirement.txt. Okay, I think I need to remove OpenManus because we are already on OpenManus directory. Remove OpenManus from here, and also I will have to pick this OpenManus from here. So now it is installing packages, and while it is installing, this is the last step. Click right install. We will have to install this. So simply I have copied this, and then we will configure API keys, and then we will go for a task. So simply copy and paste and play right gonna install on our system. So now what we have to do, we will have to configure config.toml file, and we will have to enter necessary API keys and model name, etc, etc. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can use this for free. There are so many platforms who provide us free APIs, so we are gonna use free API in this video. So simply go on config, and this config example.toml, you will have to simply rename this, and simply rename this remove .example, and make sure it looks like config.toml, and remove all the code except the top one. Remove everything, and we need only one. So we have this, and now we have API key, base URL, and model. We will have to simply edit this, and then we will run this, and we will execute our task. So what we will have to do for free API, visit this link. So simply click this open router. Yep. And you will see this type of desktop. Simply log in your account, and after logging in, simply click on profile icon, then keys, and you will be visited to this page. Simply click on create key, and what gonna, you can keep anything, the name of the key. So I will write OpenManus test, and then simply create, and it's gonna create the OpenManus API key. Simply copy this and paste that key here, and after pasting this, we need a base URL and model name. So what we will do, simply go on models and simply search free, and now you will see so many free AI models out there, and you can use any of the model. So what I'm gonna do, I will simply try this. Gemini Pro 2.0 experimental. So simply click on this and then go to API and then simply copy this base URL and edit the base URL in VS Code. And now we have to edit model. So here you can see model. Simply copy this and paste model, and that's it, and save the file. For saving control as you can do that. And now we have configured the API key and necessary configuration we have done. So what we have to do now is that simply run OpenManus. So how we can do that? Simply run python.man.py in the command and make sure you are on the OpenManus directory. First, I will clear this, paste python man.py and run this. And it's gonna ask like prompt. So what I will do, I will simply copy this prompt and paste this in that. After pasting this, it's gonna execute this, and we will wait how this works or what it does. So our prompt is simple, right? Top 5 places to visit in India. And if my budget is 5,000 and I have 5 days, then which place is perfect for me? So this is very easy prompt and that is very easy task. So let's see what they do. So they are visiting, they are searching, and they are going to blog pages or websites. They're gonna check which place is best for me, and like we will see everything in the terminal. So here we can see everything. They have collected so many websites, and they will visit and they will tell us which one is perfect for me according to my need. We can see that like the current URL is this and the title of the page is this, and one tab is opened and it is scrolling down, and now I will extract the information again. So I don't know, this is doing all this stuff. So what I will do, I will simply uh fast forward this video and I will show you the result only. By the way, if you see any error related to API, then what you can do, simply go on open router, then simply search free, and you can switch to another AI model. I mean, you can try Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking Experimental. You can switch to another AI model like Moonshot or NVIDIA Llama 3.1 or anything. If you get any sort of error related to API, so you can do this. So we can see on the browser as well, like what it is doing and everything. By the way, I want a beautiful UI for showing all this result instead of this terminal. I do not like in the terminal. After executing 20 out of 20, maybe they're gonna show us some sort of error. It needed more steps, but we had only 20 steps, so it completed and it gave us error. So this way you can install OpenManus on your system. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.